video. I'm Tom, and today we're going to be breaking down a whole chicken into its prime components. We're also going to be roasting the chicken, and we're going to be breaking that down too. So if you don't like touching raw meat, don't worry, we've got you covered here. Learning to break down a whole chicken is a valuable skill to learn. Not only is it more sustainable, but it's much more affordable for you. So you'll be able to buy better quality chicken that'll go much further.
I don't know
That's how I break down a whole chicken, both raw and cooked. Now I hope you gained some tips from this video that you can use at home. We'll be able to get a full detailed breakdown of this at tgimint.com. The link will be below. Now if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be making 2 different chicken stocks from the carcasses of these chickens in the next video, and you do not want to miss them. Stay mint, and I'll see you in the next one.